Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can see the password of the Wi-Fi you are connected to using Windows PowerShell. Do well to hit the like button as I take you down these easy steps. Let's go. First, go to your network bar and confirm if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. Open your PowerShell, and ensure you type this command correctly. I'll be dropping the command in the description, so you can easily copy and paste it in your own PowerShell. Kindly use this few seconds to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. There are actually two ways to view your password. I'll be dropping the video soonest. So, do well to subscribe to my channel so you'd be notified whenever I drop the video. Please note that this command is case sensitive, ensure you type them correctly. Hit enter once done. And your password will show in the next command line. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. You can reach out for any question.